Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to delete your LinkedIn account. So, you may have any sorts of reasons for deleting your account. Maybe you don't want to work on LinkedIn anymore, or maybe you have a duplicate account, so you just want to delete the current account and use the other one. There could be any reason, it depends on you. And if you want to delete your account, it's a simple process. As you can see, this is my feed, this is open in front of me. I would just click on this me drop down under my profile picture on the top right, and I would select settings and privacy under this heading account. Here you go. I'm directed towards all my settings. I would just click on account preferences now, and I would just scroll down until I reach this option account management, which is basically about controlling my account. So I could choose this option merge accounts. If I've got a duplicate account, what will happen is that the connections which I share on the other account would be transferred to this one, and then that account would be closed. The hibernation option is good if you want to temporarily deactivate your account. You could always reactivate it later on. The close account option is the one you would be interested in, right? Because this is about permanent deletion. So just click on change here, and here you would be directed towards this page where LinkedIn would tell you that you would lose any recommendations and endorsements if you're deleting your account permanently. You could fill in this little option, which is basically about why you want to close your account. Let's say that you have a duplicate account, so you just select this option and you could enter any sort of comments or feedback here, any questions or requests about your account here. uh, so once you're done with this, you just click on next, and you would of course be directed further, and you just have to verify your ID, and then your account would be closed. Since I'm not deleting this, I'm just doing this to show you, I'm just demonstrating. I would just click on back to settings, which of course you could choose if you change your mind before you're closing your account. So this is how you would delete an account on LinkedIn. It's not a very complicated process, but once you do that, do remember that you would be unable to recover it. You would have to make a new account altogether.